Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what delivered left with individual means in USPS tracking in 2026. So if your package shows delivered but you haven't received it, don't panic. Here is what it actually means. So this particular status means USPS deliver handed your package directly to a person at the delivery address. It's not left at the door or mailbox. It was given to someone physically. Now, the individual could be your family member, your roommate, neighbor, receptionist, or security guard, or someone at your workplace. USPS does not always specify the exact person. Now, this actually happens when you weren't available at the time, or someone else accepted the delivery, or when the delivery was made to a shared building or office. So the package is marked delivered correctly, just not to you directly. So when you see this type of message, you must be wondering what you should be doing first. So the very first thing that you can do is you can simply ask the people in your home or office whether they received the package. You can check with the neighbors and you can look at the front desk or security if applicable. Now, in most of the cases, the package is already with someone nearby. If you can't find it after checking, you can just simply contact to the USPS office. They can provide you the tracking number and then you can ask for the delivery details. They may confirm when it was handed over. So you can basically try this and see if it is working. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.